Today on Kitchen Dads, we're doing a Greek salad. You don't have to go out to the restaurant to get one. You can make one at home. Stay tuned. Please subscribe and ring the bell so you'll get a notification of all of our new videos. It's summertime, and who doesn't like a salad in summertime? It's light, it's easy to make, it fills you up, you can add meat to it. One of my favorites is a Greek salad. Now, I used to only get the Greek salads when I would go to the restaurants, but I decided, you know what, I'm gonna make one at home. This is a Greek style salad, so for those of you out there that are Greek, don't email me or don't text me and say, that's an authentic Greek salad. It's okay, it's a Greek style salad. Here at Kitchen Dads, we're all about taking the food and making it your own, and that's what I've done with this salad. So we're starting out with about a cup of mixed greens. I like to put both mixed greens lettuce in here and some romaine. So it equals about a head of lettuce. I'm gonna make one big salad that we can use as a presentation for everybody. This is also fun for people to do if you put everything on the table and people can assemble their own, okay? So we don't need this whole head of romaine, so we're gonna take some of the leaves. We're gonna peel those off. Don't forget to wash your romaine, any lettuces. Even if it says it's washed in the store, wash it again. All right, we take off pieces that aren't any good like this. We want to give some big chunks. All right. Now, we're going to just build this salad. It doesn't take a lot of work if you have the right ingredients. Cucumbers, probably about a half a cucumber. You want to put in, I would probably say, whoop, that one got away. 6 to 8 slices of cucumber. It really depends on how many people you're going to serve. Some people like cucumber more than others. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to make this pretty. We're going to stack this up. And you know, a lot about food is presentation. People eat with their eyes. They want to eat something that looks good, and we're going to make this look good. We have 1 tomato. If you have cherry tomatoes, that's great. Probably 10 to 12 cherry tomatoes. Cut them in half. Or you can just take a tomato and maybe 5 to 6 big slices. All right, we're going to build this up. That there. Red onion. Now, we want some long, big circles of red onion. I've peeled this red onion, and you could slice it in half this way through the stem, and then you'd have you'd have a half moons. I want to get as big of a red onion slice as possible. We want to do it thin. Now, the problem is this rolls around. So what do? We've talked about it before. Just cut the bottom off, make it secure. You don't want to chase your food. And then just do some really nice thin slices. All right. This recipe is kind of the taste, whatever you really like. If you like more red onion, put more red onion in. If you like more tomatoes, put more tomatoes in. But you can see we got some nice circles. You can see we have some really nice circles here. And it looks great in the salad. So let's bust some of these apart. Let's layer them in our salad. You can go through the trouble of buying beets, roasting them, putting them in the microwave, peeling them, they make a big mess. We're trying to do something simple. Go buy some pickled beets. Go buy some canned beets. If they're sliced, it's a lot easier. Just make sure you rinse them first, all right? So we're gonna put a bunch of beets right here. Garbanzo beans or chickpeas, the jar variety are fine, but make sure that you rinse them to get all that gook liquid out of it. Just rinse it 3 or 4 times, a good handful. So we're gonna put a handful right in here in the center. Pepperoncinis. Peppers is an essential for Greek salad. I don't like the stem, or when I bite into it, all that extra juice that comes out and the seeds. So here at the Kitchen Dad Kitchen, we just use banana peppers as a nice substitution. put those right there. And then, of course, the essential cheese for a Greek salad or a Greek style salad is feta. What I like here is to buy a big block of feta. Right? We don't want the feta that comes in the little container. It's all broken up already. I want big chunks of feta. So just buy the one that's in the liquid. Cut them up into maybe 1/2-inch cubes. And then we're going to go ahead and we're going to put them right here. All right. And our last ingredient, of course, is Kalamata olives. This is about a cup worth of Kalamata olives. You can put them in whole if you like. I'm going to give these a little rough chop. Just in half. Put these right here. Oh, it's looking great. So now we're going to make our Opa dressing, or like the Greek style dressing. We're going to take and we're going to put in about 1/8 of a cup of red wine vinegar. We're going to do the same with some olive oil here in a second. We have a pinch of salt. We have a pinch of black pepper. We have about a teaspoon of sugar. I like to use some type of sugar substitute. Pure Via is great. Stevia or something. Just take out some of the bite. So whatever. If you're good with sugar, that's fine. Cane sugar, but just put that in. We're going to take the juice of 1 lemon. And then we are going to add, almost forgot, we have 1 tablespoon dried basil and 1 tablespoon dried oregano. Anytime I'm using dry herbs, I always like to take them and put them to my hands and kind of bust them up a little bit, kind of grinds them, helps release more of the flavor. And then we're going to pour our olive oil in. We're going to whisk this all together, and then we'll take it and we'll dress our salad. So we've assembled our salad, we've made our dressing. It's time to dress the salad a little bit. This is nice to do if you're going to bring this to the table as a presentation for the table. A lot of times I'll make some extra dressing because some people like to have a little extra on their own. Again, we don't want to overindulge on our dressing. We want to kind of just make it like a little condiment, just enough to give some taste to what we have. All right. So there we have it. We have our Greek style salad with our Opa dressing. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to plate myself up a little of this and give it a shot. I'm going to go ahead and mix it. You can mix it up a little bit, or you can just go ahead and take pieces and parts. So I'm going to put some here. I'm going to get some olives, and some of the beets, red onion, tomato, and of course I got to have my feta. All right, so I'm going to take a little bite here. I'm going to get some feta. Got to get some olives and beet. All the ingredients go together so well, and there's so much going on. Dressing's light but has a lot of flavor. You're going to like this. Make it for your family, make it for your friends, but just make it. Greek style salad with Opa dressing. Enjoy.